Kugena kwane buno monchumo ligeri tukolia onelegia lirekero tagantego sangamo na gwetera Ndizi TV chinga kichene go kwaligania asemesa ya mangana mayanya go kumanyigati ya twabere to kwaligania kurwase mambi ya lengentambe oika chinse chigabono chiabono margo wana mange habaireka okolekana litukeligalia Jumatano stariki 2023 mutinyu 12 omwaka bwikiri bubere na 2022 nyirabono nigo egari aina ye bus litukolia lero yanyarage koguroche imeyumo chiobo songo aigase county ya Kisii na boigobona ali abaka okolekana litukolia lero omugavana bwe county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza na ikabosio bwe senate rikonyara kwegerera igoro ryamaganyo ba MCA bwe bunge ya Meru gotaka kumwaka isiko kurwa sekerogo kyobo governor ase county yo ayo amonenda mange omwancho muligeri saranso ikenyare ko sansamuranira ase liboye margoba yabona kabona chiaragire Ensa Eyemo yabona margoba olitoko bwatena nere gotera sumuno bwimanyiryo igakoro kwa Joshua Auta iritena ninchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Gotoke chaka kurwa igase county ya Kisii tumulekana lyabakago kolekana isaranso ikumonchu muligeli bono ngomanya senchira yoboye keranu nigo monto yo masiri gumabwaye maiga ye gali ebase manyakanite buna modern coast kogwa ensemo ya makutano asoro chirra senseme yo imeye county ya Kisii gotebekane basi yo yasirio boroso na koira na magega abwase anye tumegali ye mokolende basi yo igo yaguro chena banta bange gotegoro chinkoma obagende tokurwandro mabwabo asenyagetari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital omulikitonde mo Steven Nigaikira na senseme yonna goto aliganira roboti rokubwatia
emambia ya lero ensemo ya Kisii town nigo bosombia separa ya makutano getale bwale maligwa sekagieta nitichinsainye enga kiegari ya modern coast ya sirio boroso na goturungana gochia sauro chenya komisaro enga kikonyora ya rule savali korwo mochio Mombasa
egari eri muna jikota je break egari yange break egari acha kagocha magega egari ite Eyemo ya Nakuru eyo mongwano itone tokoruka mayoyo nere kereira na magega ya suguma yaje gusukumirania abantu gete bali ngegege egari ya Nakuru nero njaumia
mete gari kare ya rura satambe na ntu abantu bapara nto mete ngari kare yede ngwikere ya bole break mono mone kare ko ira na reverse okoranga achikobeka reverse yanga waso ya so afuri onye ndie so kanga bona na wale ko control.
Otherwise I'm advising drivers, those who are responsible for the control, when they feel they want to stop somewhere, they must ensure that they have a good space and a good area to park their vehicles.
Korengana na omo OCPD Kisii Amos Ambasa nigo montoyo mo utarenge gari yuime asirio bogima bwa yaso mo basokano yo na bange gotigerwa chingoma asasabira abarundi korundi asobo twereru mono aschinga kiechi chiesuguku.
The driver, after the accident, disappeared from the scene. Members of the public, with the help of police officers, rescued passengers who were in the bus. One person who was a pedestrian and a male African adult or middle age succumbed to the injuries which was caused by the bus. So far, several passengers who were rescued are undergoing treatment at the KTRH.
Ogo saba kwa bamenyi babosongo na serikali ye county ya Kisii kwene kibuna ebitango mbibekira se chinsinyo chie para chisinye no roche rwanya komisaro eliogo konya magima asama tukale bosio.
Mheshimiwa Zimbarati angalia hapa tuweke pavement mzuri ndio kali inaweza kuteleza na ikikucha ikutana pavement mzuri ili pate kuokoa watu wetu katika hii county.
Kisii county kai gando jene gaba na nebe getaba chigari chichenya kitari buyamono ambulance chiamyo kirege gete Eyemo egavana yaito Zimbarati na wagene nambu yamono ndo gendere gasingenjo na kwabeka buya general ndoje amyo kiga chigari kai gachakonyira abantu baito kiaba minyokiri nyagitari.
Miki tunaweza sema msemo ya Kisii ama msemo ya December ama msemo ya mwaka mpya. Mazee ma driver ma conductor ma vikonyo wote naomba tu tafadhali mjaribu kuangalia breki peleka gari service vizuri, na ukiona gari umetoka far long distance, jaribu kuona pale unapaki gari.
Magegayo mubasukano yo gokorekana nigo bono mugavana Simbarati asabiru kobekemero belera ene kibuna omochoko muyanoro asebitaseni byekigali no mucyobosongo oyuo obwato mubaro manene bw'abantu asekera litukolyo boncholeria
amangana ye gabeire ga masosa epare ne gane iri korosigwa ebebuya asengincho nonye ne keregali go pakiu yanyaranga esete na saragia Simbarati aligereria amangana ye ga asenginche pare yero siguna bokonyoranga yakonyira abantu baito.
Kuripoteria Ndizi TV Elietaliane Ndemo Steven
Monomoliki Ndemo Steven na sorobochirwa senchira yobo ikranugo tiganera Ndemo Steven bono ikasense mende ni gobono abayiboli baboli gweko enne kibuna nkobalenda bana abana babona tabatuguta enga kibabere bako bayibora yaniga kwanwa asense moya jogo children's home maiga yabanyanyimbo be county goseka njoko bwaterana amone sector yobo sombe bakoleta rogo chasense meya jogo children's home abwase banyara kubairira ebyegwa ao omuliki to Frida nigaikirana asenseme yonna gotwalgani roboti rokubwatia
Bunentere Eyemo yogokonya na gusangana bali batabwati nigo abanyinyimbo be county bakubwaterana ababwatani kurwa sector y'obosombi ime county ya Kisii batarira jogo children's home ase basanga ase obwamo gokwana no mo director w'abanyanyimbo be county nigo aene kibuna nigo abo bisabo bayimugete gitambukiro eliyogosanga nabana bo chinga kechiga chesuguku
of these officers, enforcement officers igo ntoje tia iga katesi ya mwanasiasa ndego somontonde. It is from their pockets, and the governor who has given us the blessings to come, as I said earlier, na chete akarua a donation ya
Voigo omunyakirugo omatatu imemo cyobosongo nigo airabuna nigo babeire bakonyora abana batugutire ase abolia abaiboli kolemerelia nonya obugima bwakonyire.
Hakuna yule hajashuhudia, hakuna yule atasema ya kwamba hajawahi kusikia ama hajawahi kujionea na macho yake. Ni wakati sasa tunaomba wale wasichana ama wale wa mama wakati wamepewa mimba. Wajua sisi wanaume ndio tunapeana hizi mimba. Tafadhali na wewe ukipeana mwanamke mimba kwa bahati nzuri ama kwa njia ya kuelewana, muhimize ya kwamba wakati atakapopata mtoto asimtupe barabarani, asimtupe kwa choo, ajaribu kumulisha. Manake maisha bila mtoto pia ni magumu. Ukiwa na mtoto pia maisha ni magumu. So ukitupa mtoto usifikirie kwamba umemtupa, maisha yawe mazuri. So maisha ni yale tuchalipu, maisha ni kungangana.
Tinga kecho boigoni go omusubati masimora abolia basubati gotwara engoro ya kimwanya banto na koenekia nkolinda bale abana lika lyokobatuguta.
Wakuwe na upinadamu ndani yao. Kutupa mtoto si mwisho wa maisha, ni kuchitia moyo na kulilia Mungu. Yeye ndiye ana uwezo wa kila jambo, sisi wenyewe tutaweza. Mungu anayo neema ya kutosha ile ambayo itasaidia mwanamke kama mimi ili apate nguvu na apate njia ya kulinda watoto wale ambao angeweza kutupa kwenda kwa serikali na kulea.
Ebyombe binde nigo byaboligwa kwega omubwekano yo elyokorwa obokonyi.
Na banare gotebanga na barabubayigo omubwekano yo iga berine erinde asinginjo yoko bless even the less privileged in society. Igo, and that is the meaning of Christmas. I hope maybe when it will come to New Year, maybe they will do something.
Omo director ojogo children's home nigo agokera omorobelyo yo ase agania onde bwensi obwate omoyo bogokonya gotalera chinsemo echo.
Nasema kwamba tumeshukuru county government and in particular the Department of Enforcement kwa zawadi wametuletea kwa niaba ya watoto. Tunashukuru sababu hizi zawadi ambazo wametuleta ni Christmas. Na hatuchukui kama kwa msaha. Tunachukua sababu tunajua kwamba itasaidia upande wa watoto, na pia tunasema jambo ambalo lolote ambalo tumeletewa hapa tunatumia kwa njia ambayo inastahili. njia ya kusaidia watoto. Na tunashukuru na tunaomba kusema kwamba mkuja tena, isiwe ya kwanza peke yake, lakini mrudi tena na tena na tena ili mashirikiano yetu endelee kukua.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Yemuno mulikito Frida Kerubo asorobotirwa senchira yobo ikirano bonogo tigananere Frida Kerubo igotokomera no mulikito Josephat Yamise yogotumanyi buno muwaziri ya sensemo ya ICT Eliud Ogaro nigobona abakago cha kibene omurobulyo a sensemo ya here gotoka se county ya Kisumu ane encherobo korebura chikorwegwa a senchira yekerero kaukona kurwa senseme uni gobono Eliud Ogaro atayabuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigebegetemero belokane kyobo koribwe serikali mbojikorwa gwetera asenchira yekerero roboti urwa senchira yobwekirano.
Serikali ya Kenya kwanza ni chikoenekia yaretire amonjoria anene asobokoreri bwemeremo ya serikali kurwa ase chinchira chiri chegekoro wikira chinchira chekerero gose digital platform. Ayangolengana no mwaziri wa ICT Eliud Ogaro.
Government services also are going to be on digital platforms. Moving forward, you will not have to go to a government office to get a service. You will be able to transact business with government from the comfort of your house, because everything that the government provides by way of services will be onboarded on digital hotspots. As we speak, we have got about 3,350 government services on digital platforms. We are going to roll out in the next 6 months a minimum of 5,000 government services on technologically enabled platforms, so that wananchi are able to transact business with the government without going to a government office to queue the line.
Morobelio oyubwe wifi nigonyareko bagotogigwa amona baraya bange abanyarako bagwikirana ase omuyego ibelitiko lya lero.
Amarieta nkoroku Viki Nyaboke Onderi omo women rep oboretie otenene Kisii County. Lero litiko lya lero ngwakira oyo minto SCS Eliud Ogaro o Information and Technology angete okwarigania okorangeriwa gochagaiga ahero Kisumu County gocha launch the Wi-Fi hotspot igaiga ahero egento na atebire mbia mono asomo CS yoito ase president yoito William Ruto komochora na kuwacha kubwatira nabantu baito gokoro moroberio yoiga abantu baito omoroberio no chiko tokonya lero mete chigasi nchiyo egento tutagete ne chigasi ekeroto uchi gokora mangana digital ya mwaro lemba kana president ekoronchi gweta amangana digital platform egere biasara onyarako online.
Lero igona mokoba omowaziri Eliud Ogaro erinde alonche wifi free wifi iga ahero. Ene initiative ye president yeito William Samoei Ruto yoko make sure Kenya yonsi achire digital na internet ya bere accessible asaba Kenya bonsi Kenya ngima. Ekenegente kia mono sana esengencho Ensa ngima. We are headed digitally.
Omusiba TV Konderi boigo nigatebire omorobelio nigararachi kobago kwena na egasi nyinge anene guchia sabasae na kwene kinga banyara ko bagwetenera asobogima bwabo bwakira lituko.
It is including e-waste management. Togasai Nantua University alia Nairobi chikokora mangana e-waste courses tuansirie na ande na atebere na renge siaya no ne CS Ogaro ngochitole koronchi na gosaini na Kisii University na Bondo University Maseno University abana baito baruga bagende ngumbu bachigosoma mangana electronic waste management.
Nonyera bo account ya Kisii teratigara maega okonga nyambane boigo nyara ko bagukirana asomorobelio nigatebire serikali ya Kenya kwanza nebwato morobelio bene kwene kinga yanyare ko boigo ikirania omorobelio bo kwena na internet bosa ime account ya Kisii
igo bila internet connection okonyore gotogotigara magega na ande ntomo sabete una Gusii ito ntoche to launch wifi free Gusii ito erinde enyare gokonya basae internet nabe gotumeka gosoma internet nabe gotumeka ebintu na e-commerce ebintu na digital engagements na ande nabe gotumeka una social engagements.
Buna enjira Eyemo ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza wikirani chira nyalta kwa wekoliera aba Kenya ao litukulia lero umwaziri wa ICT Eliud Owalo geikirana asensemo Eyemo iliyokoena na anene internet yabusa na kwenekea buna abamenyi benseme banyale ko gutumia umutandao iyo ase abokoreri bwabo bwakira lituko. Kuripoti Rikitaseni kia Ndizi TV kurua nsemo ya Eyemo Yerime kaunti ya Kisumu elitharane Josephat Hamisi.
Muno mulikito Josephat Hamisi kurase kaunti ya Kisumu asoroboti oroikirano kurazo muwaziri oteneta mangana ICT Eliud Owalo ayibana nyabakago chakibene omoro burijo bukobekero wifi asensemeyo gotigana roboti rubono gotigara nsemo ya Nyanza ni gobone merobulega ndeto kubekobekirano anase kaunti ya Migori kubwatekana no gwateka kwendwa ya Ebola ya rokane ko yekuna boigo asintundende kaunti ya Migori ensemo iteneto bochino se kaunti ya Migori Director of Chenukuru Sensemeyo Kennedy Ombogo nigate birabuna serikali ya kaunti ya Migori nigagandete ko robali boikirano na kwane kibuna ngonyara gotange bikorobyo burere bwebula konyara kogendra koranda ase kaunti yo chinga kiyo chibono ni gobaro kurogo tindgo chasamenye bensemeyo kwane kibuna ngwa kabala orobote anane kerobarare ondubonso raro kimanyero byo burere bwebula ase kaunti yo ane chinga kiyo chiga chimeyega Yesu gukuna boigo omwaka omoya.
Be responsible to your family, be responsible to yourself, be responsible to the government that you serve. As a healthcare system, we will also, and as a government, will take our responsibility because we have been playing our responsibilities. We have a very robust surveillance system going up to the household level. We have community health strategy as a structure. We have the coordination of both service and community health and surveillance.
Also, all the discharges from the body of this person are highly infectious, meaning the person can spread the disease, and that is a dangerous person to the general public. Number two, I want to inform the public that even dead bodies of this particular person need to be buried in an organized manner, meaning we have to have specialized people handling that body because the body is highly infectious. And considering that our people, the kind of burials we offer the dead, and in the way we handle the bodies.
Nago tigana na yogo etani ababunge merongevere kurwa sorongoro Western Kenya ni gobono baburi muraiwense William Samoei Ruto kane kabunangwa eswana ne balegati ane asogote wana wechinkwana kogendreta kane kyogati yomokonyo muraiwense Rigathi Gachagua na boigono mu governor we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja kolengana na babunga abuni gobate birebuna nigo Sakaja agendreta kane kinanko yarare county ya Nairobi ya century yoboikirano kolenda saroka nego swana no mokonyo bu muraiwense Rigathi Gachagua abunga muno bunga Westlands Dimoti Wanyonyi naboigo no mubunga Osilisia John Waluke gati ya bande abate biro buno mokonyo muraiwense Rigathi Gachagua ni gachagre koro kyobura iboge sako anene ase county area ya Nairobi.
We are going to work as a team. We are looking for the unity that disappeared since independence, and I'm sure this caucus is going to bring up our unit. The Western Caucus unit is going to avail itself with this caucus. We are not fighting the government. In fact, this caucus is the one that will approach all the issues with the government. The appointments which you have had.
Every time he's saying, oh, this is now for Kikuyus. This is now ours. Why is he the deputy president? Just in case he has a good friend, he should be reminded that he is not a Kikuyu deputy president. He is supposed to make sure that he throws all eyes across Kenya and makes sure that every tribe in Kenya is inclusive in his vision.
Na bono ensemo ya Mombasa anatsinsemo chirichio kwego kya chimanyikante buna Chibich ni gobono mu governor we county yo Abdul Somad Nasri atebire buna kirobwato mbuchiko twaro murende oyo bwato manyi boisaine anene ekero abantu bagendete kwego kya aniga go chamaga y'abantu babere kunyara gosiri kumabwabo aso bwato kugwa nako baita abantu babere kubwatikana no kubura kumuntu bwato bumanyi eri kunyara gokonya abantu abu ana asensemo ya pirate gotoka asensemo yo ya Mombasa nigatebire bune kinge chigonyara gokonya ogosiria kubugima ana sensemeria ya Mombasa.
Nimefanya mpangilio, kutakuwa na boat 7 za patrol that will be moving around area hii ambapo kwamba ndio the most frequented area. Kutakuwa na boat 4, kisha baada hapo katika island pia kutakuwa na boats, na from there the Likoni side ambapo kwamba watu wanajivinjari katika maeneo ya Shelly Beach na sehemu ya Jomvu, pande za Mkupe, all areas ambapo kwamba ni recreational areas katika wakati huu. Na I'm glad that some of the boats are already here, and ajali utokea, lakini we need to be prepared.
Tumekuja kuogelea, tumefurahia na familia zetu wote, maana lasia tungeweza kufika, lakini siku ya leo kwa ajili ya Mwenyezi Mungu na uhai wetu ametujalia uhai mpaka tukopa na familia yangu yote.
Aboigomo bunge ulikujani kurose kaunti ya Kakamega Innocent Mugabe kubwatira namo nebyombe binde nikobona bagakobwata kobo konyi bw'ekinyango kya sabantu bale nobolema ase kaunti yo nase bunge yo yalikujani kolengano mu bunge yo Innocent Mugabe nigatebire buna abantu abange bale nobolema barokane bagotiwa maega ne bale batari kwenyara gotara egente mugrete getambo kire kubwata namo nebyombe binde eriko ene kibona bale nobolema nkonyara bale kunyurwa ase serikali ya.
Looking at a day where every school, you don't need to separate those with disabilities from other kids. We endeavor to have a situation where even a kid with a disability can go to any school and learn and feel like part of the community.
Mobility is something important. If I didn't have this wheelchair, I would have not be anybody. I'd be laying on the floor somewhere. Maybe I would not been alive today. But this mobility gave me hope to be able to go to school.
I teach in Don Bosco Special School. I've gone through school and I'm here being able to help people with disability. I would wish all the parents at home, those that are hiding children, please take them to school.
Hata na bila ninaweza kutoka kwa nyumba nikafika mahali, lakini naona kweli wakati huu bila tumepata wheelchair tunaweza kusonga mbali.
Na boigo abana babera munakuru sensemo ya tiati yo gotoka se county ya Baringo ni gobono basiryo mabwabo royonde gotegoro chinko machintindi maega yo gotebekana bunege ntobale kogosereria ni gogiatekana kwera abana abo gokwa na kobaita na bogati ya bamenyikuru sensemo ni gobatebera bunege nteki ni gokegere goti woro na bana jesh yo gotebekana buna bale kwegerera asensemo yo ni gobatebire buna obore ndibo banete kobekwa sensemo yo na koirekera bana jesh kora maigeri yabo asensemejo ngorusi bale ebinto byonsi biri bagotumeka kohegerera asensemejo genteke gote abuna na ikira abana wabere gukwa no yonde gotigerwa chinkoma chintindie.
Lazima tupate records yote ndio tuambie watu wakuja warokote vitu vyao na walipe hii family someumia.
Hatujui kama atapona ama atakuwa namna gani, lakini wawili tupoteza on the spot. Kwa hivyo tunaomba serikali hii ya county, serikali ya national iweze kuona kwamba mambo ya KDF hatutaki tena katika area hii. Kule mkitu amale tunasimama hapa, kuna mali wanafanyia shooting, mkiangalia ile mlima, kuna mali nyeupe, kuna hizo vitu nyeupe unaona hapo, wanashoot kuanzia hapa, wanapiga kule risasi.
Huenda walikuwa wanataka ni kama kuna vile walikuwa wanataka kufenso wakagonga, lakini kwa kweli hao ma KDF wanafanya training hapa kwa sababu ni watu walikuwa wanalisha mifuko yao na kwa hiyo harakati wako wanajua wakapoteza maisha yao.
Buna entremo yokonyara gotingyo murembe gati y'ababokot naboigona baturukana ni gobono bachete asenchera yogo chamo na koleto mujega boko baleta mu bwege koro oyibono bachengereta somo butuko boko kiera rero kolengana n'ababokot naboigo n'abaturukana ni go batebire buna entremo yokonyara koleto murembe likonyara gokoro bwibibwe tugo babero kolekana sensemeyo abasaye ni go banyarete koleto amo asege koro somonye go ibuge koro bete ko kolekana abwasa baito bosemia na koburi bo base ko ibwaterania anena sobo ibi bwetugo.
Bado roho yangu kupendwa hii watu yote kubaliana amani, niseme yote choma bunduki, ni choma bunduki, tunakubaliana. Asante sana.
Sasa niko hapa hivi kusema nataka tu Pokoti na Turkana tukue na amani. Juu imanene afita haiwezi kutusaidia.
My name is Lokamartoro David. I'm from a Pokot community. That is West Pokot County. Mastorward specific village, one of the village called Gotulbondi or Chakulo.
Chumuligiri bono inyora na mange twaba toko kwaligane kubwatikana nebiro tokumanya mange anene emaiga yomo governor ya we county ya Meru we kabosi we senate amuna na mange tokumaichikora gaisato chiabo tokayandra gotobwate we tensemeli mtandao sema ya Facebook Ndizi TV News na boy kubona semeli ya YouTube na kutamana Ndizi TV News Facebook Ndizi TV News digital ronyara kumanya mange ne boni chinsemo chiri Tarime Tanzania iko gotunyore masemo go itrase decoder yao asenchira enkirano tumira nisato wotuko tnyara mange na gusanga mange olitwa bwateranere gwetera somuno bwimanyiririo igakoro kwa Joshua Auta nabo igobono kurwa sensemo yechibi cya muniriogi igakoro kwa Petronira Moke esateterana nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha.